Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by ADX Energy Executive Chair Ian Tchacos. Ian, ADX recently provided an update to the Upper Austrian gas play. Talk us through these latest developments.
Yes, certainly. Well, we've been working for about 2 years using a combination of AI and some pretty advanced seismic techniques to identify what is a new gas play for us in Upper Austria. And basically what we've been doing is looking at all the gas discoveries that it made historically, identifying which ones have the same seismic signature as prospects in our acreage. And for that reason, we can now sort of identify prospects to drill that have, all the hallmarks of success. And we've just started with our first 3 or 4 prospects that we'll be looking to drill later this year, but we've probably got another 10 of them. So this could be a really valuable play for us. I mean, what's different about it is they're really, really shallow. We're very close to pipelines, and gas is very important in Europe now. Everyone's trying to get their hands on gas. Most of it's coming in from outside, from LNG. They're trying to wean themselves off Russian gas. So this is really important. And so we hope to start drilling, and this could be really valuable for us because there's probably another 10 of these prospects that will come up in basic new acreage that we've recently acquired.
As you said, it's a pretty extensive play with around 13 prospects. Yep. Can you talk us through these and the value that you see at this stage?
Yeah, just to give you an example, the prospects will range probably somewhere between 7 or 8 BCF up to 3 or 4 BCF. That's a billion standard cubic feet. So a prospect like that, if it comes in, say, at the sort of mid-range, about 6 BCF, will generate around 55 million euros of cash flow. And of that, probably around 50% of that net would be, if you like, profitable revenue. So for us, if we can generate sort of 30 or 40 BCF of these, then that's worth 600 million of gas in the ground. So that's highly, highly profitable stuff. And
is there any update that you can give us on farming discussions?
Well, we're just starting now. Basically what we're putting together is, the ASX release sort of outlined what we've got so far and what we're planning to do. So what we'll do next is we're finalising an information memorandum, and that'll go out to a multitude of companies in Europe mostly, or in the UK, who are all looking, for this type of opportunity. But we've also constructed a partnership, if you like, structure in Austria, which would also allow investors, large investors, to also invest directly in gas. So we're having discussions even with steel plants and industrial users who are really worried about their future and their ability to access gas. So, we'll get the ball rolling probably in June, and probably it'll take us 2 or 3 months usually to close out a deal. We've done 2 or 3 of these already in Austria, where people have come into our acreage and funded our programs.
And how does the rest of the year play out for ADX?
Yeah, it's a busy year. We made a discovery last year, the Welchow discovery. We still haven't finished testing that, so we hope to get back to that pretty soon. We've also picked up some new acreage offshore Italy, which is really exciting gas acreage. So we expect that to be formally awarded to us probably in the next month or so. So we plan to go back, reassess what we have there. There's been quite a bit of historic exploration there, so we know there's some really good opportunities there. And Italy's now opening up because they import a lot of their gas. So again, gas is really front of mind there. So yeah, we'll be busy in Italy. We'll be busy in Austria when we hope with either testing or getting back to drilling these prospects. Plus, we've made an oil discovery that we're producing from, and we see more prospects around that we could be drilling. So all in all, we're in 3 countries. We're in Austria, Romania, and soon Italy. We operate in all of those. Our core team's in Austria. So really, we're going to be getting pretty stretched again.
Ian, thanks so much for joining us today.
It's a pleasure, Tyler. Thank you.